Alright, real quick, given an estimate, and I thought I'd get a video on this. We got an old Singer from probably the 70s. Still running. Original coil. Now that is a testament to a good product. We got some Lennoxes out there that are leaking at 4 years old, and then you got this thing from probably the 70s, and it's still going. All the original. Standing pilot. Heat exchanger doesn't look horrible. Well, the real question is the outdoor unit original? Coil sure is. It's freaking green. Alright, well, I'm gonna head outside. See what we got outside.